Good morning, guys, wherever you are watching this video from. Today, I'm at a place in Migori County called Masangora. This is somebody's homestead. So I want to install gutters. As you can see, I'm installing clips first. So these are clips. As you can see, there's another one there. I've already installed it, and this is the other one. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to get the level of which whereby water will be flowing towards the collector. So continue watching as I'm going to show you how we install these gutters. Thank you, guys. So guys, I'm done. As you can see, I've already installed the gutters. Just leave your comment on the comment section. Give me a like and also share, subscribe. Thank you, guys. Now this is the time I have to install the tank. So because this water, rainwater, will be harvested inside this tank. So just watch as Sam I'm going to show you how you're going to install this tank. And I think this video should be helpful to you, and you're going to learn something new.